This power bank isn't working, so I'm gonna take it apart. Let's see if it charges. Nope, no lights. Time to disassemble. First, I'll remove the top plastic cover around the button and ports. Then I'll unscrew the 4 small screws holding the internal assembly. Now I can carefully slide out the batteries and the circuit board. Here are the 5 18650 lithium-ion batteries connected in parallel to the PCB. I'm removing the plastic battery holder to get a better look at the connections. Let's measure the voltage across the battery pack. It's about 3.48 volts. That's below 3.7 V, a bit low. I'll desolder the battery pack from the main circuit board. Next, I'll separate the parallel connections to measure the voltage of each battery individually. The ushering each show around 3.48 to 3.49 volts, so the voltage is consistent across all cells. The batteries seem fine, just discharged. I'll prepare the terminals by cleaning them for resoldering. I'm tinning the battery terminals and then resoldering the parallel connecting strips. Now, I'll solder the battery pack back onto the circuit board. Cleaning up the flux, I'm connecting it to my bench power supply set to 37V to charge it up overnight. After charging, I'll check the voltage again. Now it's around 365V, that's better. I'll add some double-sided tape to the batteries to help them sit securely in the case. Time to reassemble. First, the plastic battery holder goes back on, carefully sliding the entire assembly back into the aluminum casing. Now I'll put the screws back in to secure the internals and finally the top plastic cover snaps back on. Let's try charging it with a USB cable. Yes, the indicator lights are on, it's charging. After about 6 hours, it should be fully charged. Problem solved.